So in my previous video, I've shown you how to change YouTube channel currency, and underneath that video somebody asked me how to change the payment options from euros to rupees. It doesn't need to be the same currencies, but one thing that you could do to help YouTube to determine your currency is by changing your YouTube's location. To do that, click on your profile's icon in here, then you can see your current location. If you click on it, then it will come with a list of countries that you can select, and I select United Kingdom. Then as soon as you do that, YouTube would refresh this page and would start playing as if you're in the United Kingdom. So back to that question, I suggest the viewer to change their location and then wait at least one day and see whether the currency would change. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. You can find my other videos in here, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.